about to work on the radio bezel right here, and gonna fix this up. So it might take a couple of days because I want the glue to really stick. So first thing we gotta do, we gotta take it apart. You gotta learn how to take stuff apart, man. Your own stuff. Do it yourself. Don't let nobody else. It's hard to do something you can do. Here's some of the other parts that I gotta put back together. Alright, so screws out. Alrighty. Part off, back this unit. Really supposed to just go ahead and take this part off. But it's so fragile now that it's probably gonna break. There we go. So I might beat it out with this radio bezel for a while. But it's gonna be worth it because I'm gonna glue it together. Look at that, totally broken. Totally broken. We're gonna glue this together, patch it all up. Let's just put this back together for a minute because we're gonna be without it for a while. Alright, so I got my parts laid out. I'm in the house because it's hot outside, and what we're gonna do is put these parts back together. I know I'm missing a piece, and we're gonna use this Permatex black plastic welder. This stuff works like crazy, man. I'm trying to tell you. Guess where I got it from? You know it. Advanced Auto. Got it dirt cheap because of my stuff. My discounts in my my perks. So keep telling y'all, man. You gotta start using these discounts online while you got them. So what I'm about to do, I'm gonna clean it with some alcohol. The edges that needs to be glued together. This one, this right here on the inside, and all these little parts. But I'm missing a piece right up in there. I may be able to get away with it because I'm not really gonna touch it after I wrap it. So let's get started. Alright crew, so what we do, I got the glue open. You wanna pour some out. Then you mix it. You gotta mix it. Comes with a little stick you mix it up with. Mix it together. And it's got a little funky smell to it, so get ready for that. What we're gonna do, since I've already cleaned the pieces, this might be a little hard. So bear with me. I already cleaned the pieces that need to be glued. This is coming apart too, so eventually gonna have to put it back together. So, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. If it don't work out, then I'll find one somewhere. Put it on the edges. Pressure washer, that's what it is. Trust me. What I'm gonna do. Process. It's going to take a while. Long process. That's why I'm going to wrap it. Gotta sand it down once everything is dry, completely dry. I'm going to wrap it. For that right there. Now I have to put the other pieces on. This goes on the top, and these pieces go on the sides. So once I'm through with those parts, sorry for the hair. Ha! Once I'm through with that, I'll go ahead and show you the results. It's gonna take a while, so just gotta be patient. Okay. All right, so gang, this is what it is. This is what it is. So I'm gonna let this dry for a week, and then next week we'll get started. I told you I'm missing that piece. Probably not gonna find it. I have no idea, but I'm probably not gonna be using this like it's supposed to be used anyway. And just gonna keep it on there as the radio bells. I'm gonna wrap it after I get through sanding it down. So that's gonna be it. So when it's time for it to sand it, we'll get back at you.
It's evident that I'm daydreaming high all the time.